So it's a sincere request. Any of the participant who has attended these sessions for the 5 days, they can come out and please speak yourself about the experience, about the speakers, about the content. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, I think Vivek Gupta
Yeah.
sir has raised his hand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. It was a wonderful session of 5 days, and I was always waiting for the next session. And I've given my feedback on WhatsApp group also. The session of Mr. Sai Satish was excellent. I have attended many classes, but the simplicity and the accuracy with which Mr. Sai Satish explained the things is wonderful, sir. And Mr. Ullal also gave very nice explanation. And I will thank management, and I would request, since I'm in a bank, getting leave on for the full day is very difficult. If you can plan such sessions in the say about 6 to 9, probably more people can join, and I would also be benefited. And the next sessions, whenever they come, sir, just email us.
Yes, sir.
And thank you very much, HITEM, ACIT, and the presenters.
Thank you, sir. We take your point
Yeah.
into consideration.
Sir, thank you very
Evening
much, sir.
hours, yeah, evening hours or on Saturdays and Sundays also we can plan.
Yeah.
So
And
that it can
Saturday
benefit
for
other
sir.
employees.
Sir, Saturdays for banks, all Saturdays are not holidays. Only second and fourth Saturday is a holiday. So just if you possibly can help us, it will be wonderful, sir.
Definitely, sir. We'll take your point into consideration.
Thank you, sir. And similar sessions, whenever you, sir, conduct in future, please keep us on your this email list.
Yes, sir. We have your all participant emails with us. We'll
Thank you,
post
sir.
to all the people, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. So nice of you, sir.
Thank you. Sir, Rasool, sir. Rasool, sir, has lifted his hand. You are not audible, sir. Your mic is not audible. Yeah, I think, sir, Unni Krishnan, DJ. Can I request Unni Krishnan, sir, please give your feedback?
Good afternoon, everyone. As Vivek sir was telling, it was wonderful session all throughout the faculties. They were very highly interactive. But one thing, as Vivek sir was telling, being most of the people being the working people, we find it a bit difficult to manage our work and these sessions. Sometimes,
Right.
we will have to leave the session for a few minutes and attend our emergency calls and all those things. So it will be nice if it is we can have some sessions after 6 o'clock, as Vivek sir was telling. And second out, quickly I will try to wind up. Second thing, it was told in the mail everywhere we can attend 2 FDP things. So what if we want to take more? What is the procedure for that? It will be great if you can tell how it has to be done. Suppose if you want to take more courses like this, is there any cap we can attend only 2?
No, initially we are restricting, all the ASCD is restricting for the 2 FDPs so that every other employee or the scholar may get the benefit of that one. But in the next phase of that one, sir, still you can apply.
Okay, fine. So there is nothing like we have to stop at 2. We can.
No. You can apply,
yeah,
sir. You can apply.
we can apply and see how it is, whether it is accepted or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, you can apply.
Anyway, sir, congratulations, because I have seen lot many trainings we have conducted also. The way it was conducted right from your creation of WhatsApp group, communicating, everything was done in such a professional way. Even the selection of the faculties who are giving the trainings, it was done in such a fantastic way. They were so interactive. They made the sessions interactive. Congratulations to one and everyone who was worked behind this. Of course, you might have put a lot of hard work. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.
Okay.
Sir, is that Vijaya Kamble is online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, madam, please.
Yes. Good afternoon, one and all, and good afternoon, coordinators for the workshop. Cyber security is not just one domain. It has so many things, so many branches. As such, mobile security is one branch. You have touched every branch of it. So mobile security, web application security, human values. Even you have arranged the human value lecture that I like most, because once you are a good human, you will help the society. Otherwise, it will be always a disastrous point. So I congratulate you that you have touched every point of the cyber security. But if you arrange such workshops for one session, the way mobile security as session for whole week, then web security as a session for whole week, then it will be more justified, because we want to learn more, because all the speakers, all the resource persons, they are very very talented, and they have taken up every question, whether it is small question or silly question, that also they have explained us very well. So I like all of the resource persons, Sai Satish sir, Virendra sir, even Ulal sir, everyone. Even the telco cloud security was the excellent session. Every session was good. So I feel I'm really very happy to be the part of this workshop. And this is my second cyber security workshop with the Airtel. But both the workshops, they have given me so many things. So really, I wish to be in touch with Hyderabad Institute so that I can learn more from you.
Definitely, madam. Definitely, you are most welcome.
Thank you
And
very much. Thank you very much for giving us chance even to say what we feel in the 5 days. Now, these 5 days are coming to end. I think workshop is coming to end. We are so touched with your humble and coordinating things, everything. So thank you so much, all of you. And
thank you, madam.
we are now one family, whole
Yeah,
participant, 157 participants. Thank you so much. Thank you.
thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah, madam. Actually, you mentioned that no doubt cybersecurity is a vast domain where we have any independent like mobile wide and other things. Since we are given an opportunity with a broader area, we try to cover some of the specific areas of
Yes,
cybersecurity within the
because
short time.
you have given equal justice to all the cyber security points. So
Yeah,
mobile security you have touched the web application, forensic even, and network attacks, everything. That means
yeah,
even the prevention endpoint, the security point is also very nicely explained by Virendra sir. Identity access management. No one take this point actually, sir. I
okay.
really congratulate the coordinators that they have selected the resource persons and even the points for the sessions. They very wisely. Uh, even Mavis Madam lecture, that sound bath and
Yeah,
mandala art, everyone enjoyed that. Really, thank you so much, sir.
thank you, madam. Thank you for your inspiration and support. So, is there is anyone else who wants to tell, or shall we go ahead with the closer session? Yeah, I think Sheikh Rasul sir. Yes,
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
yes, sir. Now you are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, my mic was not working, I guess.
Oh, okay.
So, first of all, I'd like to congratulate all the organizers of this FTP. The best thing about this FTP, I think, is the timing. I never felt that there was a delay in starting the session or ending the session. The time is well planned. Okay, and we were getting the updates timely, right? So I really thank you for that, and I thank Atal team for providing this opportunity for all of us faculty, to attend online. In this pandemic situation, I guess this is an opportunity every faculty must utilize. And thanks Hitam for organizing and selecting such a wonderful topic here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin. Yeah. Sir, Gupta sir, you are there.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
So shall we just check it out, sir? 1 minute, sir. Principal sir, if he is online, I ask him. Otherwise, we close the thing, sir.
Sure, sir.
I am online, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please, sir. Now, yeah, we close the thing, sir.
Okay, sir.
I
Shall I?
would like, sir. I would like to invite our beloved principal, sir, Dr. J. Shivakumar garu. Sir, please share your experience. Sorry, sir. Please share your valuable insights, sir.
Thank you, Gupta. On behalf of Institute, I would like to thank all the resource persons of FDP program on cyber security. I congratulate all the participants for successfully completing this workshop, and I am very glad to hear the positive feedback which the participants have given. I heard the feedback, and your words definitely will inspire our faculty members to conduct similar programs of this nature in future. Finally, I would like to thank AICTE for granting us permission to conduct this FDP program. And I would also congratulate the Dr. Arvind and his team, computer science department, who conducted this workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So finally, we came to the end of the 5-day FDP. Myself, Dr. S. Arvind, who is the coordinator for AICTE Atal FDP on cyber security. Many of the times I participated in all the sessions and also have interacted with the speakers also. Clearly, we got a lot of good insight from the speakers' perspective also, because they said we conducted some of the sessions in various places, but we couldn't find the participation, particularly participants' enthusiasm to know various things. They are very proactive and they were asking the questions, and we tried our level best to give the solutions to their questions and all that. And first of all, I would like to thank AICTE Atal for choosing Hitam as one of the institute to host this 5-day FDP on cybersecurity. And secondly, I would like to thank the management of Hitam, who has provided all the facilities and the resources to organize this 5-day FDP. And I would like to thank one of the speakers, Sri Sai Satish Garu, Sri Lakshmi Narayana Ullal, Sri Virendra, Sri Sridhar, and Mahfiz, and all the speakers who has conducted the sessions. Many of them are the real-time employees of some of the organizations where they are working on the cyber security issues. Particularly, Sai Satish has given I have given the introduction about all the speakers on the day one. Sir has given a lot of sessions, and also he is an advisor to many ethical hacking groups, and also he has conducted many sessions in the IITs as well as NITs also, other than the engineering college. Thank you, Sai Satish sir, for sparing your valuable time and accepting our invitation to be the speaker on this occasion. And also I would like to thank Mr. Lakshmi Narayana, who is the director of Net Analytics. Actually, he was a very busy person, but on the request that we are conducting this session to all faculty members and other employees of various organizations, and also to the research scholars. So your knowledge, if you share with all of them, definitely it will help many of the budding engineers as well as research to take up some of the challenges and issues in the cyber security. With the request, Lakshmi Narayana, Virendra, and Sridhar, all the three, they reside in Bangalore. They work for various companies and the institution in Bangalore. They have agreed for our invitation, and they came out with a good stuff. From the speakers' feedback, I could understand that everyone has delivered very well, and it was a meaningful and useful workshop. And also, I'd like to thank our own faculty, Mahfiz, who is a psychologist in our institute, who will take care of such typical situations faced by the students as well as the faculty. And also, particularly, she has trained our students and faculty how to face this pandemic situation with lot of confidence in ourselves. So that also has helped everyone. And I think even one of the feedback mentioned that even that session was really useful to them also. So I thank all the speakers for delivering the effective sessions which has helped all the participants. As our organizer, and finally, I will be failing if I fail to thank Mr. Raghavendra Gupta, who is Associate Professor in the Department of CSC, who has taken a lot of pain in coordinating with all the participants, scheduling the events, scheduling the sessions, and all that. Thank you, Gupta sir. And also, I'd like to thank Dr. Ila Chandana, CSC HOD, for providing the support of the department as well as faculty support in organizing this FDP. Thank you, one and all. I wish in future also definitely will come out with such type of workshops and enlighten many faculty members, researchers, and the budding engineers. Thank you, one and all. Thank
Sir,
you.
sir,
Yes, sir.
Virendra sir is there, online, sir.
So, Virendra sir, are you online, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So please, if you want to give
Any valuable?
would you like to say something, sir?
Thank you FTP and organizers and all the participants who listened without any issues, and also remotely it is quite challenging. Also, Nagaraj along with me, Nagaraj is also there. He also explained about how enterprise products will be, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your support and the demonstrations and all that has attracted everyone. So
Thank you.
I think I thank all the participants and wish everyone of a safe stay and safe future. Let us hope this pandemic closes so early so that let us be back on tracks with our normal routine works. Thank you one and all. Gupta sir, any information to be given to the participants?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, I think already you have shared the feedback link and also the
Yes, sir.
information about the certificates and all those things.
Yes,
So
sir.
shortly, you will be receiving the certificate directly from the AICT office to your registered email ID. All the participants. Thank you, one and all. Let us meet once again shortly, if not on the cyber security, maybe specific domain in the cyber security. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So I thank once again hearty congratulations and thanks to all participants for such an active participation in all FDP related activities during these days. Once again, I extend my heartful thanks to everyone. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so.
जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you all.
Relevant, it may not be relevant also after some time, because the information that you had about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all such things are not